So now let me explain different trades that you can be placing on the market. The first one is going to be the instant execution, right? So if you go to our MetaTrader here and then we place, let's say we create new trade right here, we are going to see that on this platform here, you are going to get a button which says instant execution. This means this trade that you are placing right now is going to be placed right now at the current price, right? So if you go back and we look at the price, right, you can look into the charts right here, or you can look on your quotes. You can see at this price right here, if we want to place a trade right there, we can just go and say new trade, and then instant execution means you are placing the trade right where the market is right now. If you place this trade, is going to be placed right there. So you just place your lot size here as you saw in the tutorial, and then you could place your trade right here, right? Or the next trade that you can place is called a buy limit. What is a buy limit? A buy limit is simply a trade where you are placing a trade where the market is not at right there. So a buy limit is simply when you want to place a trade where the market have not been there yet, right? So let's say you have the market that is moving to the downside like this, right? And then you expect that at this price or at this point, maybe you saw something, or on your analysis, you are going to do this analysis in the future, right? But let's say the price is right here, but you are expecting the prices to bounce when it hit here. So you are expecting it to go to the downside to this point, and then it goes to the upside, right? So this is going to be your buy limit, right? So the price is here, but you want to buy when the prices get to here. So what you do is you just go into the market, and then you take this price. If this is 1.2020, you just go to your trading platform, and then here you just put in, as you can see price here, you just put in your price right here, and then if the market goes to that price point, the market is going to automatically buy. So if it drops to this point, it is going to automatically buy here. And then if it bounces up, so your prediction will be saying, if I buy here, I would love the market to go to the upside, because you only make money when the market goes where you have predicted. The next trade that we have on that platform is the sell limit. So the sell limit is just the same as the buy limit, but is on the opposite side. So basically what we are saying is, we are saying if the market is moving to the upside like this, right? So let's say the market is moving to the upside like this, but you are expecting the prices to fall once it reaches here. So here you want to make sure that the market, if it goes to this point, you automatically sell. So what you do is you place a sell limit trade here. So if the market goes to the upside to this point, it automatically enters you into a sell trade. That's what a sell limit is all about, right? The next trade that we have also here is called the buy stop, right? So the buy stop is the opposite of the buy limit. So on the buy stop, what you are trying to do is you are trying to buy when the market reaches a point which is above where it is, but you are still buying, right? So let's say the market is moving like this, right? So let's say the market is moving like this, and is going to the upside, and you still think that it's going to continue to the upside, but you don't want to buy right here. You want to buy maybe at this point. So you wait, instead of waiting for the market to go there, instead of you sitting on your chair and waiting for the market to go there, what you can do simply is you can place a buy stop. So the buy stop is not going to be triggered, or is not going to be placed until the market goes and crosses the zone that you have put your buy stop at. And then at this point, this buy stop is going to change into a buy order, and then you are now starting seeing profits and losses. On the other side, we also have what is called a sell stop. So let's say the market is pushing to the downside, here, and then it reverses, pushes to the downside, let's say, and then you feel like when the market comes to this point, you want to sell. So you put a sell stop, and if the market moves to this point and crosses here, the sell stop is going to be triggered, and if the market keeps going to the downside, you would be in profits, because now this sell stop is now a sell trade. And you might be thinking, why do I need these buy stops, sell stops? These orders are very important because, one, you might not be able to watch the market all day looking for which trades to place, or you might not, sometimes you may see a setup, but then you are not going to be able to wait for the setup to place out. So you can place these sell stops, buy stops, and then this can increase your chances of profiting in the market, right? So the other thing is they also help you psychologically. So it's going to be hard once you start trading with real money. It's going to be hard for most people to just look into the market, see what is going on, and placing their trades. There's going to be a lot of hesitation. There's going to be a lot of emotions since you are putting your real money at risk. So these orders can help you to avoid that. These orders can help you to trade flawlessly without overthinking what you are doing in the market. So we are going to talk more about this, but this is just an introduction to what is going to come in depth in the coming lessons of this course. But basically, that's what you want, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a short lesson where I do a recap of what we have been talking about here, so that again you can really understand what this module was all about. So let's jump into the recap and let's just talk about what is Forex, what is a broker, how do you join a broker, all these things that we talked about, and just a short recap is going to be less than 1 minute. Let's do that real quick.